Oh, sweet.
What now?
You can fly that. You can fly that. Oh my God, it's flying itself. You want to fly it? Just hover it one time before your batteries. You got that time to hover it one time. Throttle hold it. Ready?
I love it. So you got to go halfway.
You ain't got. Yeah, and then two. But have your finger.
I have it in two. The second time.
You do two. But have
Just
your
do it in one.
Have your finger ready for throttle hold, but don't do throttle hold in the air. It'll drop out of the sky.
Yeah. There's no way to get this to where you can fly like right now.
You could do 100% on your throttle.
The problem is that motor is bogging down.
Yeah, you want to spool
can't keep moving the throttle stick up and down.
Because it's going to be like my heli a while ago.
It takes a while to spool up.
You got to let it get it. You got to be an idle up. No, Jeremy, that motherfucker's flying like a dream. It's flying.
You just got to learn to do it.
You ain't got to. Go ahead, just spool it up. I'll do this. Just all you got to do is hit. You don't
obviously, I got to be able to do it. So I go one and
no, you got to
do
your throttle halfway.
Show us how it's done.
Halfway. Well, you're in throttle hold first. All right, listen. Wait, just get it going. You get the half stick. Just hold on. You only do it one time.
This is the owner flying it now.
Emergency, you can